Hi, I'm Abdurazak. I'm a software engineer. In this series, I will create a flexible and extensible phone number validator library with C#. The national conventions for writing telephone number vary by country, while international standards exist in the form of the International Telecommunication Union. In this part, I will start only with the base features of validating phone numbers. Okay, let's start. So launching the Visual Studio 2019, I have already installed it. Okay, create new project. Okay, I will choose a class library with C# and .NET Standard framework. So I will name my project as a phone number validator. Okay, I will add a dot here. So I'll change the location to my channel directory, and the solution name I will remove the dot. I prefer to do that. Good, here we are. So I have the phone number validator project as a class library here. Okay, by default I have a class here. I will name it a phone number validator and rename the file with hitting the control dot. I love control dot. Good. So directly I will add a new project for the test using .NET Framework unit test. Okay, here phone number validator dot tests. Well, good. I will start with applying or practicing the TDD. Okay, so I will name the test here phone number validator tests. Oops. Good, and rename the file too. Well, the first test method, okay, with the phone number, valid phone number. Okay, as we know, the phone number may prefix it with the international indicative 00 or plus sign, or if a local number without the international indicative. So I will start with the simplest one, valid phone number. The result will be valid. Okay, good. So I will here I will arrange, and here the act and assert. Okay, here the phone number that we will test it, which should be a valid phone number. For example, I will use a Spanish phone number 777 74 71 90. Okay, good. Here I need a validator instance. Okay, new phone number validator. Okay, so I have to add. Oops, I have something. I have to fix it. Okay, so here I have a phone number validator as a part of my namespace. I have to add a dot here, period. Okay, change it in the default namespace of this project. Well, good. All right. So here we can go back and here I will make Visual Studio Help Me Validator. Okay. Oops. I will add the project manually here in the references. Phone number. Good. So the output equal to the validator dot validate or is valid and pass the input number. Good. The assertion will be assert, okay, is true the output. Good. So going to the test explorer here. I have only one test. Okay, one test method. I have to run it. Good. We are in the red zone. Okay. We aim to move to green green zone situation. Okay. So I have to generate this method because we don't have it yet. So I will let Visual Studio help me to generate this method. Good. Okay. I will make the Visual Studio automatically run tests when I build the solution. Run tests after build. Okay. Just hit F6. Good. So here we are in the first cycle of the TDD. So I will add the minimum code to make this test pass. Okay. Here I will return true. So the minimum code is to check if the input number don't have any character. Okay. I will ask the add of the regex pattern. Okay. Regex. Okay, import this namespace. So is match. Oops. Input and the pattern to check all the characters are from 0 till 9 plus. Okay. Good. So build again. Well, test is passed. So I will go to add another test method here. With an invalid phone number should be invalid. Okay. I will add here a character, for example. So is true should be is false. Good. Hit F6 to build the solution and run tests. Good. I have one method test passed and another didn't pass. So I have to check here failed. Okay, because it has a character here. Okay, I will make a change to this method. Okay, to check if the input contains character or no. Okay. Oops. I think I have an older error here with my syntax of the regex. So I forgot to add this dollar sign here. Good. Okay. Good. All the test methods are passed. Okay. So we have an order condition to add here. For example, as a local number, we have to check the length of that string. So okay, here input dot length should be equal to 9 digits, and make sure that all the characters are digits from 0 to 9. Okay, so try to add new test method here. Invalid length phone number. So invalid, I will make it here 00. So try to test. Then you change. Okay, try to run all tests to make sure we didn't break any existing features. Good, all 3 tests are passed. Good, so it's false. Good. So this last test is invalid phone number. The result should be invalid. So it is assert is false. The output is false. All right. So this is the minimum verification, or the minimum condition to check is this phone number valid. So in the next part, we will check or we will add a new feature with the prefixed phone numbers to validate the prefixed international prefixed either 00 or the plus sign validation, and to be able to validate the formatted phone numbers. Thank you. Bye bye.